Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful beach-themed wreath that can work for any time of the year. Okay, the first thing we did is took a Dollar Tree square wreath, and all I'm doing is I'm doing a basket weave, so I'm just taking the rope and going over and over here and under and over and under and over. And just got enough here, and then I'm just going to tuck this underneath here so it stays out of the way. And there we go. We're all finished with our our wreath. And then now what we're going to do is take the netting, and I'm just going to lay the netting across here. And I'm going to just tuck the netting kind of underneath here, give it a good tuck there, and we'll secure it a little bit more when we finish. But you can see here, all I'm doing is just tucking this underneath here. So once our netting is secure, and I'll just give this one a little tuck over here. So once our netting is secure, then I'm going to take my zip tie, and I'm going to put the zip tie through here, and then I'm going to take my lantern. I'm going to just lay the lantern here, and you can see I've just grabbed a little bit of the netting with the zip tie. So I'm just going to pull the zip tie through here, pull it pretty tight, and I'll take my clippers and just maybe clip my zip tie. There we go. I put that aside, and I'm going to take my lantern and my wreath and put it aside. Now I'm going to take my Bowdabra, and I'll take some Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to fold it in half and lay this into my Bowdabra, and I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take my pick, and we're going to lay this down in here. Actually, I'm going to make this a little bit longer. Lay my pick in here and take my next pick, and I knew that was going to happen. So look, there we go. We've had a little bit out of the way. And now we're going to lay our second pick in here, and then take this pick here, and we're just going to lay this in and bring this out here. And then I have my greenery, and we're just going to lay this in here and take this greenery. And some of these are holiday picks that we had, and what's nice about this is it works for year round. So now we'll take our flowers and lay those in here. Take this flower, lay it down in here. And now we're going to make the bow. So I'm going to take the tail, lay the right side facing up, lay that down into my Bowdabra. Now we're going to take our beautiful Amelia ribbon, and we're just going to fold this back and forth and fold it again. So all we're doing here is folding, twisting, and everything is staying in the Bowdabra because the Bowdabra has springs to hold everything in. We're just going to fold it back and forth. So this is what I love, and you'll see we have many other videos on our Bowdabra blog, and also here on YouTube or in Facebook. So definitely follow us on Facebook, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll get notified, because we have a new video every single week. So we'll put this back, and then we also do a live every week, and we'll fold this back over here. And our lives are always available on replay. So definitely subscribe so that you know when we come live. So now I'm just going to finish up here, folding it back and forth. And just a couple more folds. And here we go. So we'll do this, and then I'll just kind of do a little half loop in the middle. And I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand and give everything a really good scrunch. And now I'll take my Bowdabra bow wire, and it looks like I tucked it too well underneath here. It got caught on something. There we go. And now I'm going to take it, pull it through the slip knot, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, so that way when I pull it out, I'm not struggling with my bow or my swag. And we're just going to take this, bring this around to the back. Whoopsie daisy. Everything is clanking around, so we're going to bring this around. And I'm going to tie a knot. And I'm actually going to double knot this. And I'm going to bring my wreath back. And we're going to use our Bowdabra bow wire. Actually, let me do this way. And we'll take our Bowdabra bow wire and tie this onto, to bring it through my netting. So again, it's going to help secure the netting. And I'm just going to tie it off and tie a knot. And I'm just having a little bit of trouble getting my knot done here, so sorry. So the knot's tied, and then now we're going to just shape everything. Bring my tails, bring my tails around here, and bring this tail through here. And we're just going to shape out our loops. So we'll just put our fingers in here and shape this and shape all of the little loops here. And we just shape them by putting your fingers through the loops and pulling them in opposite directions. So we'll continue shaping. And let's get this one. So the shaping can take a little bit of time, but that's what makes your bows so absolutely beautiful. So we'll just finish fluffing this up, and now you have your beautiful finished lantern. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.